Now, you can do more of what you love. You can go faster, be more accurate, with Sherwin-Williams fully automated tinting system. Introducing Collision Core Pronto, the most accurate tinting system by Sherwin-Williams to date. With a microscopic 0.01 microgram dispenser, patented pump system, minimize product waste, and increase color precision with paint samples as little as 50 grams. Take the complexity out of color matching with our fully integrated color retrieval technology using spectrophotometer. The Pronto features a small footprint, allowing for easy installation. The 4 dispenser heads delivers a huge output, with 6 unique colors being continuously processed at a time, allowing skilled labor to concentrate on spraying. Collision Core Pronto uses standard Sherwin-Williams environmentally friendly packaging, so no need to hold additional inventory. Automate your body shop today and go faster with Sherwin-Williams Collision Core Pronto.